Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because we're doing a gratis haul. I haven't done one of these in a really long time and I feel like I got a nice amount of goodies. So let's get this show on the road. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Estee Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliners. So this is what we were giving. We have 2 full-size liners. And of course, there's a little promotional picture in the back. And basically, what Estee is doing is that they're taking their eyeliner and they have converted it into a little mini baby liner. So this is what their original looks like. And let me show you what the baby looks like. Look at this little baby. It's so tiny. So, the idea behind the tiny micro tip is that you would have more control and precision, and that you're also going to be able to do a little bit more detail work. So it gives you the opportunity to play with your liner, maybe try different designs, and it's the same formula. And now you just have the little one to do a little detail work. From Bite Beauty, we got a mini agave lip mask, which is my favorite. Although I have to say that the Laneige lip balm or lip mask is pretty good. I just feel like the agave mask is a little bit more intense. So if I had to pick, I would probably do the agave, just because on days where I feel really dry, that's what I'm looking for, is the agave mask. So we have the little mini, and then we also have this mini prismatic pearl multi-stick, and this one is in the shade Rose Pearl. It's $24, and just so you know, the agave mask is $26. But let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Let me swatch it for you. It reminds me of Shameless Lip Gloss by Huda Beauty. I really like this. I've already used it on my lips. I haven't tried it on my eyes, but I really should. But this has a really pretty like green, rose, gold shift to it. Like, it's so beautiful. I love it. We got this Ulla Henriksen bag. And it's nice because I like this kind of material for like my beach stuff. This year, I'm going to the beach, guys. I will get my tan. But we got this little sheet here. We got the eye cream, and we also have, the eye cream is actually already in my bathroom. But we got the, what is this called? Truth Serum, which I really like. I used to use the Truth Serum back in the day. It was the first vitamin C product that I used on this hyperpigmentation face. I got this Glam Glow black glitter mask. So it's just a play off of their regular masks. And it's just this little mini baby one. So I do like their masks. And at first I thought that their masks were more of a gimmicky kind of thing, but apparently they have really great, they should, right? They have great skincare benefits. So I'm really excited to try this. We got a Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick by Fenty, and the shade I got was One of the Boys, which is a pretty, first of all, look, this is a pretty nice size. I don't think that this is a full size, but One of the Boys is this purple shade. So it's not a shade that I would gravitate to, but I think I'm gonna give it a try, just to try the formula out. I've never tried anything other than their foundation. This was pretty awesome. I worked one day and I won a little competition that they were doing with beauty blenders. So I did win a beauty blender, a little soap, and then a bunch of these Just Chill cards. I don't know what they're for. It just has a bunch of little tips, but yeah, this is their Just Chill beauty blender, and you can never have too many of these. Although I have to say that my favorite is the black. I find that all the other colors just kind of fall apart really easily. I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys have had that experience. Like, are your beauty blenders falling apart pretty quickly? Because I find that mine are. I thought this was kind of interesting, but I got a little Laura Mercier puff. Okay, no powder, but I got the puff. A Luminous Blur Stick by Milk. I have the blur stick and I have used this already, and it does give a really pretty like golden sheen to the skin. I almost felt like it looked really beautiful just on its own. Like, I'm like, on a day where I don't want to wear makeup but I want to make my skin look a little nice, that was actually a good pick, I guess. On a day where I want my skin to look really nice and blurred and glowy, but I don't want to wear makeup, I always want to wear makeup, this would be a good option. I have the Too Faced Hangover RX, which I'm pretty excited about this. I've never tried it and I've always wanted to try it. I would say dry combination, so I can definitely wear that. A Purity Made Simpler Moisturizer. This is an ultra light moisturizer. And this is what it looks like. I have tried these before and I like them. I think this is new packaging though. I got the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I'm not a huge Benefit mascara fan, so I'm curious to see what this is going to look like. Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer by Fab First Aid Beauty. Let me try this really quick. Oh, it's sealed. Never mind. I got the shade medium, which I think is going to be a very good fit for me. These two YSL products I actually won, also in a little contest, and I got the lip stain in number 26. Let me show you what that looks like. It's a really pretty like mauve nude shade. And then I got the Vinyl Cream in number 410. I got this cute little Bobbi Brown mini lipstick in Crushed. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch this one because I like to keep these little lipsticks and give them away to my brides. And then I got this, what are these called? Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses. I have on Back Talk. And this is by Urban Decay. I like it. It has a little bit of a tingling sensation, which I'm not sure if it's meant to be like a lip plumper. But the consistency is really nice. It feels thick, but it's not sticky. And I like a thick gloss. Sometimes I don't mind the stickiness. I know some people are really weird about that, but I don't mind it. And then we got this really cute Hi-Fi keychain, which I am going to use because I need a new keychain. But look at how cute this is. It's got glitter. I know that was a short gratis video, but I have to say I'm pretty happy with what I got. And I'm excited to try these new goodies out. Please let me know down below if there's anything that you guys would want me to review or use and get back to you guys on. And also, let me know if you've had any issues with your colorful beauty blenders. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below. I miss your pretty face. Leave me a comment. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys soon. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Get to it.